यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा। We are seeing this very important topic. In this topic, page number 59, प्रातिभासिक रजत उत्पत्ति in Shuktika is being discussed. Anyatha Khyatiwadi said प्रातिभासिक रजत उत्पत्ति cannot be explained just as अन्यथा ख्याति cannot be explained, anirvachaniya ख्याति cannot be explained. So Siddhanti is explaining now how. He said Loka Siddha Samagri is not what is going to produce Rajata, because Rajata avayavas are not there. In the Moolam we saw Nahi Loka Siddha Samagri Pratibhasika Rajata Utpadika Kintu Vilakshana Eva. What is that Vilakshana Vastu? How Pratibhasika Rajata, what is the Upadana Karan for Pratibhasika Rajata?
Avidya.
Tula Vidya. Tula Vidya is what produces Pratibhasika Rajata. It was distinguished or differentiated from Mula Vidya. Do you remember anything or should I explain the whole thing again?
Remember, Ramesh.
What about others?
The Kacha Kamaladi Dosha and Chakatyakara and Samskaras.
So I'm assuming many people don't remember anything. Okay. See in the Moolam. Tula Vidya is Rajata Utpadika, which is different from Loka Siddha Samagri, and also it is different from Mula Vidya. Tathahi. So, Rajata Samskaras are there. Those Samskaras become Udbhuta when you see Chakachikya in the Purovarti Dravya. This is Vedanta Siddhanta not only for Rajata. This is for anything that is Pratibhasika. So if we say Vyavaharik Jagat is Mithya and it is Anirvachaniyam, then Vyavaharik Jagat Utpatti is also in this way. Some dosha is there. Kacha Kamaladi dosha dushita lochana. Eyes are covered by some netra roga, eye defect called Kacha Kamaladi. And in the Purovarti Dravya, there is Sanyoga where there is Chakachikya. So then antakarana vritti will have idam avachinna chaitanyam. That idamakara, idam is the adhar amsha of that shukti. Adhar amsha I am saying because adhisthana amsha jnanam will remove avidya. So it is called adhar amsha because adhar amsha will be there in both at the time of Bhranti also, at the time of Prama also. Idam Jnanam will be there both the times. Idam Jnanam will say Idam Rajatam when it is Bhranti. Iyam Shuktihi when it is Prama. So Idam Jnanam is there both the time. Shukti Amsha is the Adhishthana Amsha. Idam Amsha, he calls it Adhara Amsha. Sankshepa Sharirakakara has differentiated this. So there, see, Tika. So this is the explanation for Arthadhyasa and Jnanadhyasa. Rajata Arthadhyasa, Rajata Jnana Adhyasa. When we take Brahma Sutra, then this portion is briefly mentioned. It is not elaborately discussed. In Brahma Sutra, Tikas, Ratna Prabha. See in Tika. What is the tad vyatirikta samagri? It is said kintu. Yatha. Pratibhasikam rajatam. We have to see Tippani number 2 first. First, let us see some Tika. Yatha Pratibhasikam rajatam. Laukika rajata vilakshanam. Tatha. Pratibhasika rajata is Laukika rajata vilakshana. Tatha. Tad utpadika samagri api. लोक प्रसिद्ध सामग्री तो विलक्षणा एव इति उत्तरम आह. If व्यावहारिक रजत is different from प्रातिभासिक रजत, व्यावहारिक रजत सामग्री will be different. It will be रजत अवयव. प्रातिभासिक रजत सामग्री will be different. What is that difference? So they say tad utpadika सामग्री अपि. Tad what is tad? What is tad? प्रातिभासिक रजत. See, in Tika, you know where I am? Page 59, second line in Tika.
Yes, Swamiji.
यथा प्रातिभासिकम रजतम लौकिक रजत विलक्षणम. तथा तद उत्पादिका. What will be that? प्रातिभासिक रजत उत्पादिका सामग्री अपि लोक प्रसिद्ध सामग्री तो सामग्रीतः पंचमी विलक्षणा एव इति उत्तरमाह विलक्षणा. दिस इज डिफरेंट. तर्हि तत्स्वरूपं वक्तव्यम इति अपेक्षायाम. देन यू शुड टॉक अबाउट इट्स स्वरूप. स्वरूप ऑफ
Rajata. Pratibhasika.
no. प्रातिभासिक रजत. Somebody said
सामग्री.
सामग्री. प्रातिभाषिक रजत उत्पादिका सामग्री स्वरूपम वक्तव्य. Why it is not becoming clear if you pay proper attention? तत् उत्पादिका सामग्री अपि लोक प्रसिद्ध सामग्री तो विलक्षणा तर्हि तत्स्वरूपम वक्तव्यम. तत्स्वरूपम मीन्स सामग्री स्वरूपम वक्तव्यम. इति अपेक्षायां प्रतिज्ञातम अर्थम उपपादयति. सो प्रतिज्ञात अर्थ, प्रतिज्ञात अर्थ मीन्स सिद्धांति said सामग्री is different. So now he is going to explain what it is. तथा ही in the मूलम we already saw all this. तथा ही काच कामलादि दोष दूषित लोचनस्य इत्यादि. तत्र चैतन्ये प्रतिबिंबिते सति, तत्र पूर्वोक्तरीत्या वृत्तेर्निर्गमनेन इदम अवच्छिन्नं चैतन्यम वृत्ति अवच्छिन्नं चैतन्यम. So this is पूर्वोक्त रीति. How that is given? तडाग उदकम इत्यादि उक्त रीत्या. Not तडाग, तडाग. तडाग उदकम. How the lake water goes through a small water canal and pervades the field, whatever kind of field it is, circular, rectangular, triangular, different forms. Like that, this Chaitanya as if pervades the object. This is the prakriya for pratyaksha jnana. ततश्च त्रिविध चैतन्य अभेद संपत्ति अनंतरंच. ततश्च means thereafter. Thereafter means when त्रिविध चैतन्य means इदम अवच्छिन्नम चैतन्यम वृत्ति अवच्छिन्नम चैतन्यम प्रमातृ अवच्छिन्नम चैतन्यम becomes abhinnam. This is given in the moolam. Now see further in टीका. अविद्या रजत रूपार्थाकारेण रजत ज्ञान आभासकारेण च परिणमत इति अन्वयः. अविद्या रजत रूप अर्थ आकारेण रजत ज्ञान आभास आकारेण च परिणमते. Avidya will be, avidya parinam will be in the form of rajata and rajata jnana abhasa, means object as well as
Jnanam.
jnanam. So artha is not there. Artha which is not there is utpannam because of avidya. And artha jnanam is also not there. It is also utpannam because of avidya. Now you see Tippani number 2 first. Avidya, Tippani 2 on page 59. अविद्या प्रातिभाषिक रजताकारेण तज्ज्ञानाकारेण रजताकार वृत्ति रूपेण च रजताकार एंड रजत ज्ञान वृत्ति रूपेण च परिणमते इत्यर्थः. वृत्तेरेव ज्ञान शब्दवाच्यत्वात् इति भावः. वृत्ति itself is called ज्ञानम. ज्ञान शब्द उपचार is done in वृत्ति. वृत्तेः ज्ञानस्य उपचारात्. वृत्तौ ज्ञानस्य उपचारात्. In वृत्ति ज्ञान शब्द is उपचार मात्र. मुख्य अर्थ इज कूटस्थ सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म। अविद्यायाः वृत्त्याकार परिणाम प्रयोजकस्तु इंद्रियाणाम अनिर्वचनीय रजतेन सन्निकर्षाभावात् करणा सहकृतेन साक्षिणा तत्प्रकाशकत्वायोगात् तद्भाना संभवो यतः अतः साक्षिणा प्रातिभासिकस्य भासनाय साक्षी संबंध एव इति बोध्यम। अंडरस्टैंड दिस इन स्मॉलर पार्ट्स। अविद्यायाः वृत्त्याकार परिणाम प्रयोजकः। So somebody will ask a question, why do you need avidya vritti? Why can't you just do with antakarana vritti only? Avidyayaha vrittyakar parinama prayojanam nasti, somebody will say. So Siddhanti will say prayojanam asti. Kim prayojakam? What is the prayojaka? Means what is the nimitta for avidya vrittyakar parinama? He says इंद्रियाणाम अनिर्वचनीय रजतेन सन्निकर्ष अभावात्। इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष विथ रजत, is it there or not? First question. So the answer is no. Why it is not there?
Rajata is pratibhat.
Because rajata is not sthula padartha there. It is avidya karyam. So if somebody says the whole Brahmanda is avidya karyam according to you, if Brahmanda is avidya karyam, Rajata is also avidya karyam, then Rajata Indriya Sannikarsha is not there. Other Ghata Patadi Indriya Sannikarsha is there. How do you explain? So we will have to say Ghata Patadi, they have Vyavaharik Satta. And Rajata has Pratibhasika Satta. What is the definition of Vyavaharika Satta and what is the definition of Pratibhasika Satta?
Brahma jnana itara jnana badhita pratibhasika satta. Brahma jnanena badhita vyavaharika satta.
Brahma Jnana Matra. ब्रह्म ज्ञान मात्र बाधिता व्यावहारिक सत्ता. सो प्रातिभाषिकत्व मीन्स ब्रह्म ज्ञान इतर ज्ञान बाध्यत्व. व्यावहारिकत्व ब्रह्म ज्ञान मात्र बाध्यत्व. This is the Veda. Those who don't know this paribhasha, they should write down, and it is simple, but they should know this. Shukti Rajata is Brahma Jnana Itara Jnana Badhya. By Shukti Jnanam, Shukti Rajata Jnana Badha will take place. So Shukti Jnana is Brahma Jnana Itara Jnana. Tad Badhyatvam is there in Shukti Rajata. So Indriya Sannikarsha is not happening there. Indriyanam Anirvachaniya Rajatena Sannikarsha Bhavat. Karana Asahakritena Sakshina Tad Prakashakatva Yogat. Karana Asahakritena. Karana Asahakrita. Karana means any Indriya etc. or Antakarana. Karana Asahakritena Sakshina. So Karana Sahakrita Sakshi is for Vyavaharik Vastu Prakashana. Karana Asahakritena Sakshina Tat Prakashakatva Ayogat. For Ghatapatadi, Indriya Sannikarsha is there, number one. And then Antakarana Vritti will reach here. Then Sakshi will be able to do Prakashanam. So Sakshi Prakashanam requires Vritti. In that Ghatakar Vritti, Sakshi will be there. That Sakshi will do Prakashanam. To Chidabhasa. When Indriya Sannikarsha itself is not there, if there is no Vritti, Antakarana Vritti will not be there. Without Antakarana Vritti for Shukti Rajata, how Sakshi will do Prakashanam? That is what is the question. Karana asahakritena sakshina tat prakashakatva ayogat. Without the karana, Sakshi cannot do Prakashanam. Prakashakatva ayogat. Tadbhana asambhavo. Tadbhana asambhava. Shukti Rajata Bhanam will not take place in any way. If some connection between Sakshi and the Anirvachaniya Rajat is not shown. Tadbhana asambhava. Yataha ataha sakshina pratibhasikasya bhasanaya. Since this is the case, yataha yasmat ataha tasmat sakshina pratibhasikasya bhasanaya. For Sakshi to illumine the pratibhasika vastu, Sakshi sambandha eva iti bodhyam. The Sakshi sambandha is avidyayaha vrityakara parinama prayojakaha. Because the question was, avidyayaha vrityakara parinama prayojakaha kaha? Is Sakshi sambandha. Then only Sakshi will have sambandha with Anirvachaniya Rajata through avidyakara vritti or avidya रूप रजताकार वृत्ति. Is this point clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
What about others? Yes? No, I cannot hear. Can I repeat?
Yes, please.
Purvapakshi has asked this question. What is the need of avidya vritti? Why can't you just use antakarana vritti? Avidyayaha vrityakara parinama prayojaka. Why do you need a avidyakara vritti? So Siddhanta is saying there is a prayojaka. Therefore, avidya vritti is required. What is the prayojaka? First is Indriya and Pratibhasika Rajata does not have Sannikarsha. Indriyas are not seeing. If Indriya sees that Pratibhasika Rajata, then it will become Brahma. It is not there. So Indriya cannot recognize it. Indriyas are seeing only Idam Amsha of Shukti. The Pratibhasik Vastu is not seen by Indriya. So Sannikarsha is not there. Sannikarsha is not there, therefore Antakarana Vritti will not be there. In Antakarana Vritti, if it is there, then there will be वृत्ति अवच्छिन्न चैतन्य or vritti pratibhimbita chaitanya, if we call, then sakshi will do prakashana. But here antakarana vritti will not be there with the shukti rajata. So karana asahakritena sakshina, tat prakashakatva is not there. Therefore shukti rajata bhanam will not be possible. Tad bhana asambhava. Therefore sakshi, in order to illumine shukti rajata, will require some pratibhasika shukti rajata. To illumine that, sakshi will require some vritti. That vritti will bring the connection between sakshi and pratibhasika vastu. This is called avidya vritti for sakshi sambandha. So sakshi sambandha is the avidyayaha vrittyakara parinama prayojakaha. Is it clear now? What is the question?
Swamiji, that Sadrisha Chakachikyakar Vritti, is that Avidya Vritti? Is that the same as Avidya Vritti?
No, chakachikya. You are saying chakachikya.
Because the Indriya are seeing the shining,
Wait,
and then they are mistaken.
wait. Just repeat your question again.
Is Avidya Vritti the Sadrisha Chakachikyakar?
No. Did I use the word chakachikyakar vritti in last 15-20 minutes?
No.
Then
not
why?
never.
I am just saying anirvachaniya rajatakar vritti is avidya vritti. You read the line. Avidyayaha vrittyakara parinama prayojakastu indriyanam anirvachaniya. In that whole explanation, there is no chakachikya mention. Clear? When you do Shravanam, you listen to what is being said. Don't bring your ideas. Anybody else has a question?
Understood, Swamiji.
Huh?
Understood, Swamiji.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, Swamiji.
Means understood. Okay. This is simple thing. This is third or fourth time we are seeing here. But I hope everybody is clear with this. Now you see Tika. Nanu. Avidyayaha eva. Akashadi prapancha. It is pra. Akashadi prapancha. उपादानत्व अभ्युपगमात् प्रतिज्ञा हानि इति शंका निरासाय प्रमातृ चैतन्य इत्यादि विशेषण द्वयम. Did we see what is the difference between Tula Vidya and Mula Vidya?
Yes, in last class in the Tippani,
Correct.
long Tippani.
Not long Tippani was different. In last class was correct. Tippani is correct. Previous page. 1 number Tippani, 59. The long Tippani was to do Khandanam of Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsha. We are still in Pratyaksha Prakaranam. We have not even come to Anumanam in Vedanta Paribhasha. ननु अविद्यायाः एव आकाशादि प्रपंचोपादानत्व अभ्युपगमात्. अविद्या itself is the upadana karanam for akashadi prapancha. So then pratignya hanihi iti ashanka nirasaya. Pratignya hani means somebody will say, you are saying avidya is the upadana karana. You say, according to you, avidya is the upadana karana for everything. Why you have to say separately avidya is the upadana karana for shukti rajata? So two visheshanas are given. प्रमात्र चैतन्याभिन्य विषय चैतन्ये निष्ठा एंड शुक्तित्व प्रकारिका टू. प्रमात्र चैतन्याभिन्न विषय चैतन्य निष्ठा, नॉट चैतन्य, देयर इज सम डॉट लाइक थिंग, जैसे चैतन्य निष्ठा एंड शुक्तित्व प्रकारिका अविद्या. अविद्या, दिस अविद्या इज स्थूला विद्या. Because this avidya is pramatra chaitanya abhinna vishaya chaitanya nishtha. Mula vidya is chaitanya nishtha matra. There is no pramatra chaitanya or vishaya chaitanya there. It is brahma nishtha, right? Brahmashraya. So these two visheshanas are given for avidya. ननु यथोक्ता विद्या सर्वदा यथोक्ता कारेण कुतो न परिणमत इति चेत. यथोक्ता विद्या सर्वदा यथोक्ता आकारेण कुतो न परिणमते. दिस अविद्या, why all the time it is not having this kind of parinama, shukti rajata akara ityadi. इति चेत् निमित्त कारण विरहात् इति अभिप्रेत्याह निमित्त कारणम. निमित्त कारणम is needed. What is the nimitta karana here? He says, Rajata samskara sadrichina kachadi dosha samavahita avidya. Rajata samskara sadrichina means yukta, associated. Rajata samskara yukta kachadi dosha. Samavahita, you see samavahita shabda is given here. In Kirnavali, asamavahita shabda had come. This is kachadi dosha samavahita. So rajata samskara is also there, kachadi dosha is there in the eyes, then that avidya is capable of producing rajat in shukti. Somebody who does not have rajata samskara will not see rajata in shukti. Means whatever he sees, let's say he doesn't see shukti, he will not say this is rajata. Why? He doesn't know what is rajata. And somebody who has rajata samskara but doesn't have kachadi dosha, he will see shukti. He will say this is not rajata. I can see clearly. So that person also will not have bhranti. But somebody who has rajata samskara, who has kachadi dosha, and he sees chakachikyam. Chakachikya here means some shining thing. चाकचिक्यादि सादृश्य संदर्शन समुद्बोधित. टीका. यद्यपि संस्कारोपि सर्वदा वर्तते तथापि उद्बोधितस्य निमित्तता इति अभिप्रेत्य उक्तम्. Sanskara is there all the time. Still, udbodhitasya nimittata. Udbodhita, what is udbodhita here? Udbodhita is Rajata Samskara. Rajata Samskara is there. How many things you know in this world if I ask you? What will be the answer?
5.
Many.
Lot of things you know. All the things, do you remember all the time? Or there are samskaras? Do they come on their own all the time? No.
No.
Some nimitta is needed. When that nimitta is there, then only those samskaras will come. So that nimitta is for sanskara udbodhanam. That is what is given here. Yadyapi sanskaropi sarvada vartate, tathapi udbodhitasya nimittata. Udbodhita vastu has a nimittata. What is the nimitta here? Chakachikyadi. Chakachikyade sadrishyasya sandarshanena samudbodhito rajat sanskaras तल्लक्षणया सामग्र्या, not samagriya, samagriya sahakrata. चाकचिक्यादेः सादृश्य. With चाकचिक्य there is सादृश्य. सादृश्यस्य संदर्शनेन समुद्बोधितो रजत संस्कारः. रजत संस्कार udbodhanam will happen only when you see something shining. samudbodhita rajata sanskara. Then tal lakshanaya samagriya sahakrita. Sahakrita ka sahakrita ka
Samagriya. Samagriya. Sahakrita.
samagriya sahakrita ka. What was the question asked? Nimittata. See, tathapi udbodhitasya nimittata iti abhipretya. So nimittata is there. What is the nimittata? This. Rajata sanskaras tal lakshanaya samagriya sahakrita nimittata. This whole thing becomes nimitta. Chakachikya, rajata sanskara. Rajata sanskara udbodhanam will take place through Chakachikya darshanam, and tat sahakrita nimittata will come. Means when all these things happen, then only a person will see Rajata in Shukti. This is otherwise called Adhyasa Samagri. This is Adhyasa Prakrana. This is all Adhyasa. What is Adhyasa Samagri? Adhyasa Samagri requires Samskara. Adhyasa Samagri requires Sadrishya. Adhyasa Samagri requires Dosha. Samskara is of what? In this Drishtanta?
Rajata.
Rajata. Sadrishya is what?
Shukti.
Shining.
Chakachikya. Sadrishya is Chakachikya. What is similar between Shukti and Rajata? Shining thing, Chakachikya. And what is a dosha in Drishtanta?
Eyebrow.
Kachadi dosha.
Kacha Kamaladi dosha. So these are required. This is called Adhyasa Samagri. In general, sometimes all are there, sometimes only one or two can be there. ननु चाकचिक्यादि सादृश्य संदर्शने नीलपृष्ठ त्रिकोणता अदर्शने च किं निमित्तम इति अपेक्षायाम आह। चाकचिक्यादि सादृश्य संदर्शने, I see चाकचिक्य, चाकचिक्य सादृश्य is there, but I don't see नीलपृष्ठ त्रिकोणता of Shukti. Shukti has that black base or it is a triangular. Those factors I don't see. So why it is that one part of Shukti is seen, one part of the same Shukti is not seen? Kim nimittam iti apekshayam aha kachadi dosha. This is the dosha. Like sometimes people ask, I hear what you are saying, but I don't hear everything what you are saying. What is the dosha? This is called Shravana dosha. Half the time you are listening to whatever you want to listen. This is why Shravanam is not complete. Okay, 1 number Tippani we have not come to yet. Okay. Netra Nishtha. Further, next paragraph now. So this topic is complete here. Complete means one part is complete. Netra Nishtha Kachadi Dosha Sanyukta Parinamata iti uktam. नेत्रनिष्ठ काचाति दोष संयुक्ता अविद्या परिणमते इति उक्तम्। तत्र किं लक्षणः परिणाम इति अपेक्षायां तल्लक्षणम् आह। सुकः लक्षणं यस्य परिणामस्य तत्परिणामः किं लक्षणः कः लक्षणं नपुंसकलिंग कः लक्षणं यस्य परिणामस्य सः परिणामः किं लक्षणः इति अपेक्षायां तल्लक्षणम् आह परिणाम। परिणाम is see in the मूलम परिणामो नाम उपादान समसत्ताक कार्यापत्तिः. What is परिणाम? सतत्वतो अन्यथा प्रथा is परिणाम. अतत्वतो अन्यथा प्रथा is
विवर्त
विवर्तो नाम उपादान विषम सत्ताक कार्यापत्ति. So this definition also they are good, you should know. Parinama is upadana samasattaka karyapatti. Vivarta is upadana vishama sattaka karyapatti. Earlier two definitions, vyavaharika, pratibhasika, and this one. Those were satta. So arthadhyasa and jnanadhyasa, both of them are taking place because of this avidya. Artha utpatti is also there, jnana utpatti is also there. Actually both are together. But normally we say first padartha, then jnana. Actually in pratibhasika it is samakala. At the same time both of them are there. So if you have to understand Jagat is mithya, understand Jagat and its jnanam, both are happening together. This is drishti srishti vada. I see it and I know it. Both are together. Not I see it means it is there and I know it in this way. So it's satta and bhanam, they are together. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.